the pin out is different between the NBT and the head unit entry, so we have to shave off some those edges and rotate the cable 180 degrees in order for it to work. Then we probably need something to stick it there. Okay, so now after we shaved off all the edges, the pins here around basically the edge plastic, so it should be now clean, round, and you just put it in there opposite to the way it was supposed to be, so 180 degree rotation. So I'll put it like this, and now it goes inside. Okay, so now it is in place. Maybe you need to, if you feel it's loose, you need to put something to stick it. I feel it's okay. I had to apply some pressure to put it in, so it should be okay.